Automatic cap topside labeling machine. High precision of labeling. Subdivided stepper motor or servo motor drive to send labels. Accurate delivery. Label belt bypass correction mechanism design to ensure that the label does not shift left and right during the traction process. Eccentric technology applied to traction mechanism. Traction, the label does not slip, ensuring accurate bidding. The adjustment seat has 6 adjustable directions and angles. The applicability is strengthened. And the conversion between different products becomes simple and time-saving. Intelligent control, automatic photoelectric tracking with no object and no labeling.